Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox mods. It's important to understand that Roblox's platform is unique. Unlike many other games, direct external mods are not the primary way to customize your experience. Instead, Roblox empowers its community to create and share millions of unique games and virtual worlds directly within the platform. This approach ensures a safer and more integrated experience for everyone, focusing on creativity through official channels rather than third-party alterations. The official and safest way to engage with custom content on Roblox is through Roblox Studio. This powerful, free tool allows anyone to design, build, and publish their own games and experiences. Think of these user-created worlds as the platform's true mods. Developers can script unique gameplay, design custom assets, and craft intricate environments, offering an endless variety of content that is fully integrated and supported by Roblox itself, ensuring a secure and stable experience. Instead of downloading external files, the best way to experience mods on Roblox is by exploring the millions of user-created experiences available directly through the platform. These range from intricate role-playing games to fast-paced action adventures, each offering unique gameplay and visual themes. Every day, countless new experiences are published, providing an ever-evolving landscape of content. Simply browse the Discover page to find new worlds and interact with the incredible creativity of the global Roblox community. For your safety, it is crucial to avoid any unofficial external mods or software for Roblox. Downloading third-party executables can expose your computer to malware, viruses, and put your account at risk of being compromised. Roblox is designed to be a secure platform, and adhering to its official channels for all content is the only way to guarantee your safety. Always use the official Roblox application and explore the vast, secure library of user-created experiences within it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.